Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand refrigerator and it's giving you an E01 or an E1 fault and you're wondering what's going on and what you can do to get rid of it. So unfortunately, this is not an easy one to get rid of. This E1 fault is that there's a problem with a sensor in the refrigerator. So there's a couple things you can do. The first thing that you can do is just turn it off and leave it unconnected from power for at least a minute and then plug it back in and see if that doesn't clear the error out. And then the second thing you can do before calling a technician, if you're able to, if you don't have too much stuff in there, is another thing that can help is over time, ice condensation, not even in the freezer or in the refrigerator box, but over time condensation can build up within the walls, and then that can freeze and it can start making these weird things happen. So if you can do a full defrost on your refrigerator, freezer, you also might be able to get rid of this error. If none of that works at that point, you're probably better off just calling a technician to come out and figure out what's going on. But anyway, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.